Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Cheryl B for Southwest Flair and Style Santa Fe. You already know I love turquoise, and I've really been loving the leopard looks. But did you know they can combine? Wow, I just got my hands on this little turquoise leopard top. This is a quick and easy look to put together to add a bit of Santa Fe to your style. I paired it with a leopard print skirt, but jeans would look amazing too. And I'm featuring some of my turquoise jewelry from Designs by Cheryl B, all available in my shop. Add a pair of brown boots to set off the leather in the jewelry and the brown tones in the garments, and you've got quick and easy Southwest style. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more great tips on beauty and style.